welcome back to my another video. I hope each and every one of you are absolutely fine. So my name is Poma Murmu and I am from Jharkhand, and this video is going to be a super duper very interesting. And yes, because someone has commented on my video and constantly asking me about that which book should you read to improve your spoken English journey. So before starting this video, I want to know that in which stage, in which your position you are lying. Suppose you are a beginner level or intermediate level, or suppose you are considered yourself as advanced level, then there be a different kinds of books which is depends upon your position, your status. Understand? So stay tuned with this video and please let me know in the comment section in which stage are you in. Okay, so let's start this video. So I am going to start with the beginner level. Okay, so from my own experience I am going to tell you that suppose if you belong from any kind of East India or West India, I am not saying that the people who belong from a South India, for them is not okay. This video is for the people who want to speak English, okay, who is to speak Hindi or any kind of mother tongue, but they want to speak English. For them, let me show you from my own mobile phone. I have screenshotted on my phone. So this I think this is visible to you, right? Is it visible to you? Okay, yeah, this, let me zoom it out. This, okay, this is Oxford Junior English Translation book. This is when I was in standard 2. That time my father has bought for me, and yes, this book is very very useful for the beginner guys. I am telling you the truth. You heard it right, because from my own experience I am telling you, this Oxford Junior English Grammar book is very very best for the beginner who don't know. The people who don't know the English of E, they can start with this book. Everything in detail has been what scripted on this book, in Hindi to English, English to Hindi, and there are many kind of assignment questions that you can practice. Okay, so let's move forward. And another book that I want to say that, okay, this, you can start with this standard 4. This is a book of my own younger brother and I have taken this book from him. And yes, I want to share that the story of standard 4 and 5, okay, means the students, or you can ask your younger sister and brother for their book, English books, okay, English literature book. You will see the lots of chapters, lots of the chapter and stories. As you can see, this is the first chapter of this book. You can see the words and the sentences are written very simple, and also the meanings are also present behind the books. As you can see, this is the word meanings, the hard word which are present on the chapters has been given on the last pages of this chapter. And you will see that there are lots of what, the lots of stories. And this is only for the beginner, I'm telling you first, okay, the who are the beginner. And not only this 4 5, I'll suggest you to take any book from your younger brother or sister or from any other ones and read out loud. And where you will find any hard word, just note it down and go to the chat GPT and ask that what is the meaning, and then make a 4 sentences from that hard word. Then automatically you will be a good English speaker guys within a 1 month. Okay, so now, okay, this is for beginner level. And you are at intermediate level, then I would suggest you to read this kinds of book. This is the essay book, okay. This book, when I was in standard 4, yes, that time this book has bought my father. This book is very helpful. These kinds of book you can purchase, and the cover of this book I had put it out, because right now I have completed my 12th boards, right? So this book is about 10 years older. Okay, so that's why I have read about 3 times this book. What is the best thing that I want to say, that this is the Dr. Manmohan Singh, this is about Dr. Manmohan Singh, and there is the Hindi meaning of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Suppose if you are stucking on any kind of hard words, hard sentences, or if you are not understanding the sentences, how the sentence is constructed, then you can see the Hindi meaning. Okay, for the beginning, for the intermediate level, this is very good from my experience telling you. And also, not only the biographies are given on of the famous people, there are also another kind of things that are given. For example, blessings of science, and also you can see an aeroplane, and also the earthquake. And also, if I go to the last pages of this chapter, you will find the national unity. And also, you can see the 5 things is dislike. So everything's are given, guys. You don't need to go with any, like you can see the freedom of press, everything are given. Everything has touched on this book, and you can go out, you will see the loads of hard work. You will find loads of vocabs, advanced words, and which are used in a day-to-day life. Okay, all these things are available on these books. If you I am not going to means I am not going to emphasizing you to buy only these books. Okay, you can buy to these kinds of book, you can read these kinds of book where the English, where the English things is also available, and also the translation of the English is also available. There is a must. Okay, who are the intermediate level. And also I am suggesting you, there is an alternative, and I would suggest you to read these kinds of book if you are at a beginner level, sorry, if you are at an intermediate level. Why? Because grammar is also important, guys. Grammar, because grammar is the one which helps you to speak English correctly. And tense is very important, I'm telling you. And also you will find a lots of things in this book. So this is the book. This book is when I was in standard 9, that time I brought this book from my school. And I'm telling you, there are lots of things. There are lots of things are given on this book, but I'm not suggesting you to read all these grammars, because all these grammars are not needed. Because I know we want to speak English in day-to-day life. We don't want to now crack any kind of English, English, what, English exam, or we are not preparing for any kind of IELTS exam. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, you can just go to the, like, speeches are given, debates are given, articles are given, dialogues, story writing, and also tenses, voice, reported speech. So, okay, and also the types of phrases and clauses are also given. You can see there are no preposition if you are like confusing about where, okay, in, at, what, okay, in which places you should use it, then I'll definitely suggesting you to read these books. Okay, and also there are also one word substitutions are also given, phrasal verbs are also given, and all, and okay, correct spelling are also given. So all these things are given on these books. So you can buy this book. Okay, from my own experience I'm telling you. Okay, and okay, so this is about the book that I want to say. See this book behind I was saying you. Okay, now for the last one, advanced level. So from my own experience, I would suggest you to read the, you can read any kind of novel, and also you can read the biographies of the famous people, and also you can read the discoveries, and also you can read the, biographies of the scientists. But I have read this book. This book is very beautiful, guys, very beautiful. I am going to open this book and you will see. Suppose I am going to the, this is the chapter 1 of this book. Okay, you will chapter 1 of this book. Suppose this is a hard word. This is scanty. As you can see, I think this is visible to you. This is scanty. This is a hard word of this page. Okay, now when you go to the bottom of this page, you will find the English meaning of the scanty. This is a 2 number, means small. Scanty means small, yes. And this is not only in the first page, it is all, means it is this things is available in all the pages. You will find a lots of things are given. Suppose this is 24. You will find this is the hard word is written as inventory. So you can go to the bottom of this page and you will see the inventory means list of object articles. I think this is visible to you. And there are lots of things are given. Means this is a kind of story, and you will find a lots of hard words. And like, this is a very best books ever I have seen, guys. And you can also read other kinds of books, but from my own experience, if you are at advanced level, then you can read novels, and also you can read the biographies, scientist books, and everything you can read. So this is for all things. And okay, this is what I want to say. And all these things are not like written or scripted, or not like getting from another wells. Okay, I am making this video not by inspire of another video. I have not seen any kind of another video. I am not copying any kind of another video. I am telling you the truth from my experience, that how I became like English speaker. So but from but the truth I want to say in the last, sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Someone has rang on my phone and my video had closed, so because of that I had discontinued with this video. So I was telling you that before reading the books, this is very important, that what you have learned, just practice it. If you have this much of resources, and if you have practiced this much of resources 15 times, 20 times, then you will be a good English speaker. It doesn't matter that how much read that you read, that how much books that you read. But if you are not practicing, if you are not using all these advanced words, phrases in your day-to-day life, then all will useless. I will suggest you to read or took any kind of book. You can take any kind of book, but read this book 5 times, 6 times, and 7 times. As much as you can, just read it out loud. And whatever the advanced words that you are learning and you are knowing day by day, just use it in your practical life. Just use it in your day-to-day life. Understand? It doesn't matter that if you are reading all these books, lots of books, and if you are not using it, then all will are like useless, right? I am telling you the truth. Before wasting your time on the several books, I would suggest you to save your time. Understand? So it's now depends upon you what you want to do in your life. So that's for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and if this video is really helpful, so please let me know in the comment section. Okay, bye bye, thank you.